in the Way 31 Storm Tracker Weather Center. Meteorologist Kate McKenna.
It's a very sunny and pretty day here in the Tennessee Valley. Don't get too comfortable because we are still looking at the possibility of snowflakes.
Yeah, big changes on the way, especially for the second half of the weekend. Enjoy the sunshine while we have it for today. It's absolutely beautiful. 42 degrees right now. We're warming nicely, although this view across Huntsville still showing that thin veil of fog that is left over from this morning. It's been breaking up. It's been lifting for the past couple of hours. Still a nice calm wind, so we're not worried about wind chill for today. And I've noticed that on the storm tracker radar, while it is still mainly a quiet picture here, at least on the satellite side of things, if we zoom in just on Jackson County, we've played this for the past 3 hours, you can actually see the veins of valley fog as they dissipate as the loop plays. Notice near Princeton, things starting to clear out very quickly there with some sunshine. Actually heat the surface of the earth. That warm air near the ground rises, and that helps break up the fog, helps take that with it. So we're basically clear now across the entire Tennessee Valley, and we're warming accordingly. However, we've been holding on to a little more fog right around Athens, Decatur, and Huntsville. We held on to that longer this morning than what we were seeing through Sand Mountain. So they've had more of a chance to warm. Even at higher elevations, we're warmer than Huntsville. So it's 42 in Huntsville, but 44 in Fort Payne. All of us, though, are in the low to mid 40s across North Alabama. Just for comparison here, 51 degrees, that's the average high. The past couple of days, we were only topping out in the upper 30s. But for today, we are going to be very seasonable during the afternoon. Of course, we haven't recorded any rain. We don't expect any rain for today. At least that's today's story. Things are changing starting tomorrow. Here's the rest of your Wednesday. A couple of passing clouds here and there. And even for the first part of the overnight hours, here's 5 o'clock, so the evening drive looks just fine. Also keeping a few passing clouds and mostly clear sky. Once we get into 9 o'clock, still nothing of incident, but later past midnight, that's when things start to change. So for the rest of today, I said it before, I'm going to say it again, enjoy the sunshine and enjoy that 52 degrees by 3 o'clock. We cool quickly though, 45 by 6 and 41 by 9. Now past midnight, the clouds start to thicken up and we're going to see another round of showers that work their way in here, starting through the shoals farther west by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And this is just scattered shower activity. We're not expecting heavy rain out of this, and most locations won't end up with anything more than ½ an inch of measurable rain. There's 5 o'clock tomorrow evening, so all day long it's gray, it's damp, but by tomorrow night into early Friday morning, most of the rain's out of here. We still hold on to the cloud cover on Friday. And this is when things start to get interesting. Saturday, 7 o'clock, we have a warm front tracking through the area. So we start with scattered showers initially, and here comes the cold front. Heavier rain located right ahead of and just along the cold front by noon. It's just west of the shoals. It slowly tracks eastward through the evening. Here's 9 o'clock. Now, once this front moves through, you are going to feel the difference. I know this is a strange time to stop this, 3 o'clock in the morning, but that's when that cold air starts to sweep in enough to potentially change over any leftover rain showers over to a few snow showers. The issue here is that this colder air, it's also going to be drier air, and there's a pretty good chance that it will be too dry for us to see much in the way of snow, but it's still a possibility that we're monitoring very closely. We're clear, though, by Sunday night, and it is going to be very cold, and it's going to feel like single digits in teens when you factor in the wind. Measurable rain, there you go, most locations, and I'll step out so you can see all of this. 1.5 inches up to 2 inches in total through Saturday. So the 7-day forecast here, 80% chance of rain on Saturday, and by Sunday, 34 degrees with that 20% chance for a little bit of snow, measurable snow. It's not in the forecast. We're only expecting about 0.2 of an inch. So tracking that chill, 20 degrees by Sunday night.